We're live, ready to blow a milk up.
What?
I'm filming it.
Oh, alright.
Okay, so this is right here is where I'd like to do it. So please bear with me. Nate, you need to sit down and you need to who stomps on it?
Me.
Then get your foot up.
Unless you
1,
want to.
2, 3. Now, thank you for watching our bullshit. Now we gotta go toss this.
Please subscribe to PewDiePie.
That's not my channel, Nate.
I know. Exactly. But they need
If it was a YouTube channel.
subscribe to PewDiePie.
I'm trying to keep you off camera as much as possible. So,
Oh, damn it. I should have jumped from right
are you one of those people who prefer being on camera or not on camera?
Huh?
Are you one of those people who prefer being on camera or on camera? Alright. So you gotta bear with me because it's freaking bright.
Hey, we should go get another milk.
Yeah, you can get one if you want. I'm personally not gonna do it.
Well, let's go get another one and you can stomp on it.
Alright.
Let's go.
I just released, no, it's already recording now. Now, have it like pointing towards my foot or something. Okay guys, Nate's behind the camera. I'm gonna blow this sucker up. 1, 2, 3.
Wrong way! Damn it, go get me some paper towels.
I'm so sorry about that. You shouldn't have stood there. You shouldn't have stood there though.
Yeah, I know.
Who the fuck stood there?
Oh,
I'm so sorry about that.
It's fine.
I mean, you knew I positioned the fucking.
You should go to
That didn't even.
Hey, I'm gonna run to the PE room.
I didn't even think about that. Okay. Sorry. Goodbye.